What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk tweaks. So for those who jailbreak their devices on both the Unc0ver and the Checkra1n for iOS 13 up to 13.5, those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys if you can give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks, and number one on my list will be the SafariFastType. This is going to be for your Safari browser. Let me show you guys and just showing you what is that tweak will be provide you with. If you go ahead right now and launch your Safari browser, check this out. So once you want to open a new page just like that, your keyboard will be appear right away, so you don't need to tap on search here to bring the keyboard. This is what the tweak pretty much will be provide you with, so you can right now open another one the way you like. Let me show you guys once again. Open another browser or new page, comes right away with the keyword to make it easy for you. This is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. If you ask if there is anything comes under the settings, there is no configuration, just go ahead, download the tweak, and once you want to launch your browser, open new page, comes right away with a keyboard. Once again, this one will be called the SafariFastType. Moving right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the MessageUnread. This is going to be for your messages application. Let me just showing you guys how is that will be work. If you launch your mail, this is going to be for your any kind of type of message. If you swipe right now here, you can take a look. This is the new tools that comes right away. You have the more, you have the flag, you have the achieve. So if you tap on more here, you will be see different kind of options, a lot of toggles, so you can reply to all, reply, forward, achieved, or something like that will be appear inside your mail application. If you want to ask if there is any kind of configuration comes with that tweak, there is no configuration. Just go ahead, download the tweak, reset your device. Once you want to launch your mail application, swipe on it, you will be see different kind of options. It's gonna be comes for that. So once again, guys, this one will be called the MessageUnread. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak. The other one will be called the MediaBar. This is going to be for your music if you want to listen on one of the song. And let me show you guys first of all how is that will be looks like. So atop the bar or the home bar of your iPhone, you can take a look at the background or the title of the song, and even you have forward, backward, and pause and play button will be in the bottom just like that. So if you want to tap on it to stop the song, and this is how it's gonna be looks like. So if you navigate to under the settings here, first thing, go ahead, enable the tweak, show the title background, which is the way that I showing you guys right now. It is looks like that. If you want to toggle that switch, also we have another option. If you want to hide the lock screen player, will be is going to be up to you, and always show the player, which is top the home bar here, and we have two different kind of sliders. So if you want to adjust the way for the fade out or the fade speed is going to be up to you. Once you're done, make sure to tap on here at the top, which will be resetting your device, so your device will be take the effect. And this is the way about that way. If you guys like to download this one will be called the MediaBar. Let's move on right now to talking about the other one, and the other one will be called the ColorBar. This is going to be for your bar if you want to colorize it and make it a different kind of color on your home bar by simply just navigate to under the settings, and the only thing that comes under the settings is the home bar color. By tapping on the color here, this is going to be bring different kind of colors in. You can choose right now your favorite color just like that. Once you are done, just go ahead, reset your device, so your device will be take the effect, and then you can change simple as that the color for your home bar. So if you guys like to download this one will be called the ColorBar. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the BTManager Plus or the Bluetooth Manager Plus. So what that tweak pretty much will be provide you with, let me show you guys by navigate to under the settings here. So once you download the tweak, first of all, go ahead, enable the tweak. You have the devices. So pretty much that tweak will be showing you, or you can control the other devices that you connect those devices by the Bluetooth with your iPhone. So you can manage that with that tweak. So you have your devices section, and then you have your applications section. So by tapping on the devices here, whenever the device or the product that you use to connect it with your iPhone with the Bluetooth, you can configure that from in there because it will be show up. And the applications, for sure, if you use one of the application and you connect it with other product comes with a Bluetooth, you can, by clicking on any one of these application, you will be see that product or the device will be appear here. So you can, by simply activate that, disactivate that the way you like, and you will be good to go. This is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. Once you're done, you need to make sure to reseparate your device so your device will be take the effect. Once again, this one will be called the Bluetooth Manager Plus. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.